Wonder how the writing practice is going? You're now doing writing practice number 4. Remember, before they can start writing, you need to make sure children control their large muscles. And then we need to strengthen their small muscles and help them to develop eye-hand coordination. So here's a few ideas. We will give you more next time in the next video. Let them play with wet sand, mud, draw with their fingers in the sand and on the mud, and then do some eye movement activities with them. Let them look up, look down, look left, look right. Hope you are doing it as I'm saying it. And then write over dotted lines or copy patterns. Here you'll see on the right side there's some patterns. Give them lots of practice to do over dotted lines and patterns activities. And then let the children feel cards. You can take A4 cards or smaller cards and do letters or patterns from felt, from material, wool, sandpaper, sand on, you can glue sand on the cardboard as well. And let the children go over the letter with their fingers so they can feel the letters as well. And then very nice, have different sizes of containers, and they must take the matching lid and screw it onto the container. And then nuts and bolts, preferably big ones, and you need to check them that they don't put them in their mouths. That's very good for the finger muscles to develop. But also you must remember the eye-hand coordination is important to get the bolt onto the nut, that they need to use their eyes and their fingers together. So that is a very important thing, that the eye and the hand need to work together. And then you can let them play piano in the air with their fingers, or walk like a little spider with their fingers on a wall maybe, or the thumb on the small finger, and you let them walk with their fingers over the other fingers. Do some finger rhymes and songs and just help them to develop those finger muscles. So now you can practice writing letters I, J, K and L, or like the children say, Y, K, L. And then also number 8. Enjoy. A lot of practice is needed. Don't just do 1 or 2. See whether you can do them correctly every time. And if you're in a different country, go and ask the school teacher, how do they write the letters and the numbers so that you teach the children the right way. This is what we found most teachers in South Africa are using, but maybe your country is doing it differently, so make sure about that.
We're now going to do the I. You start at the top of the line, you go straight down, you lift your hand up and you put the dot. Please explain to the children, it's not a rugby ball or a soccer ball, it is a dot. This is the J, it has a long tail. Start on the line, straight down. Only turn when you get to the bottom. Round and up, and then your dot. Only a dot, not a ball. This is the K. It has a long neck. Start at the top of the line. You come straight down. Now you lift your hand up, and the next movement is one movement. You do not lift your hand up until it's finished. You come in and out. This is the L. Very straightforward. Just make sure that they touch the top and the bottom line, and that they start at the top, not at the bottom. Touch the line, come straight down and touch the line. Number 8. Number 8 is very much like the S. You start off by making an S and then you're going to cut across. Must start a little bit underneath the line, up, round, in, round and across. All you do is close it there. I'll do another one for you. Underneath the line, up, round, in, round and across, and close it.
It is about a lot of practicing. It may not be easy, but the more you do it, the easier it will become. But you may have to concentrate a little bit more when you make your posters or write on the board, so that you will write correctly, because when you write correctly, the children will follow your example and they will write better as well. Enjoy it. Practice a lot. Don't just make 1 or 2 of the letters. Look on the back of your yellow book and practice a lot.